What's up there?
In the field.
What's up in the field? What's up there?
What's that? What's this?
Is that a combine?
In the field.
What's it doing?
What's it doing?
What's it doing up in the field?
Well,
Hmm?
what's that?
Are you going to read the story? Do you want Mommy to read it to you? Yeah? I will. Okay, shall we read it? Here's Jackson standing up on the fence watching the combine that's in the field right up on the hill here. This is his favorite time of year because one of his favorite things are combines. Moving over a little bit so we can get a better look. Hey there, Bubba. What you see up there on that hill?
A combine.
And is it going fast or slow?
Faster.
Yeah. Look at all these ladybugs today. They're everywhere, huh? Are they crawling on the fence? Yeah, they're in our hair and on our clothes, aren't they? All over the place. I'll climb up here on the fence so you can get a better look at the combine.
Look at me.
I see you. What are you doing?
Thank you.